Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the Philips Multi-Groom Series 5000 trimmer, and in this video we're gonna discuss about this detailed metal trimmer. So in the first step, what you have to do, you have to remove this metal trimmer. Okay, so to remove it, you have to just simply push it like this. You can see over here, just simply push it, okay, and then it will detach from the trimmer. So you can see over here, now it is detached. Okay, in the second step, what you have to do, you have to clean the inside of the trimmer. So there is a small brush that comes with this trimmer. So simply you have to just remove some hairs because there are hairs inside. Okay, so you can just clean it like that. Okay, so once it is clean, so in the next step, what you have to do, you have to use this detailed metal trimmer and then you insert it, okay, like that. Okay, so you can see over here, you insert it and then simply just push it. So now it is ready to use. You can see over here, now it is ready to use. So I turn it on to show you. So you can see over here, it is working perfectly fine. Okay guys, so you can see over here. Okay, so for the detail metal trimmer, what you have to do, you have to adjust the angle for defined edges, and after using it you can also clean it with water because it is waterproof. So guys, this detailed metal trimmer is for design like a beard sides or cuts, or you can also use it for patterns because it has a dual cut technology. It has two blades, you can see over here, if you can see. So it has two blades, one is here, this is the top one, okay, and one is down there inside, there is another one. So there are two blades and they are in curved shape. So it gives you a very clean and a very precise design if you want to use it. Okay, and the other thing about this Philips Multi-Groom series, it has a rubber grip, so you can grip it like this and then you can easily make the trimming. So it will be very easy for you. Okay, and the other thing is you can charge it for like 16 hours and it gives you 80 minutes of battery, but there is no light or no indication about the charging time or how much battery is left. So there is no light over here, no indication. Okay guys, but it has a 2 years warranty and it is premium quality trimmer, and I'm using it for like 1 year and it's really amazing. And when you turn it on, you can see it start vibrating. Okay, you can see over here, it is vibrating. So it gives you very, you can see over here, so it gives you a very clean design if you want to make design the beard or hairs. So it will be very easy for you. And if you want to remove it, simply you have to do the same thing from the top side. You can just use your finger and then just pull it like that, and then you can see it is detached and now you can easily remove it. Okay guys, so this is how you guys can use it. So this is for today's video guys. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.